Okay, guys, thanks for stopping by to learn how you can make $144 per day or more with zero budget and without selling anything to anyone. I'm going to attempt to give you guys some value here and do this video and give you all the details you need in 7 minutes or less. So let's get right to it. Step number one is to find a CPA offer that pays weekly. If you're not familiar with CPA, that's cost per action. It's kind of like getting paid for a person doing something, whether it's, let's say, submitting their zip code, submitting in their email address, some type of an action that will pay you some money. Step number two is to use free traffic methods to send people to the offer. We're going to cover that. Step number three is to use a portion of your profits for paid traffic to scale up your profits and be able to generate even more cash flow. So let me first of all show you some proof that this actually works. I'm going to go to the next slide here. Let's go there. And this is from my PayPal account. I just wanted to show you that with this one offer we're going to talk about here, I've received 2 PayPal commission payments on the same day. You'll see here April 17th. And I received $76.80 in one and $67.20 in the other, which is a total of $144. Now the program was EEC that I received these funds from, and it is a cost, or actually a pay per lead type of a program, and you'll see that this is telling me these are my qualified free member registration commissions. Again, qualified free member registration commissions. So that's essentially what we're going to talk about here, is how to do something of this nature, whether it's with this specific program or some other offer out there, but you can make money without selling anything to anyone and without investing any money in marketing. So let's get into it and show you how to do that. Okay, these are the quick steps in a nutshell. Number one, you want to register for CPA networks that pay weekly, and we're going to show you how to find them by doing a quick Google search for these terms. Number one would be how to make money with CPA. We're going to do free course, and the other one is going to be CPA offers that pay weekly. You can use the EEC program I just mentioned, and you can access that program at www.bccteam.net. And you will get paid $1 as a free member, or you can use one of the offers you'll find up here. Step number two is going to be to get a new free Gmail address, which is separate from your primary email. You will receive lots of marketing emails to this address when you use the programs I'm going to outline below. Make sure you do not use your primary email address to register on these websites. So let's get into the first part of this, and then we'll come back and get into the marketing portion. Okay, here we are with the first thing we're looking for, which is CPA networks that pay weekly. You just type this into Google. This is what you'll come up with, and you can review different programs that will pay you weekly. So that's the first thing that you want to search for. The next thing you want to search for is how to make money with CPA, and then comma, free course. This is going to give you a video like this that'll teach you how you can earn money with CPA. And again, CPA is cost per action marketing, and it's basically going to allow you to send traffic to different offers that will pay you anywhere from a couple of cents to $1 or more for people doing a simple action, whether it's giving their email, etc. I'm going to focus a little bit more on EEC, since that's where I made my money from, and it's something easy that you can get involved with it without a lot of requirements and without a lot of knowledge. So if I log into my back office, the one thing I just want to show you here, that I've already referred 612 users. Not all of them are qualified, but the ones that are qualified are going to pay me $1, and we get paid weekly here. Excuse me. If you want to know what information you're going to send to people to get them to sign up and become a free member, well, you would just, in the back office, click here on Done For You Marketing Materials, and it's going to show you the Done For You email swipes. So again, you can use this program as one of the methods of getting paid up to $144 or more per day, like I have, by simply sending people to the offer and having people enroll in the program. If you want to know what that offer looks like, we're going to go right to the website, bccteam.net. And basically, people will go here. As long as they complete this form, verify their email, become a qualified member, you can get paid $1 per person that does that. So now, how do we get people there? We already know we can get the message to send to people from the back office of this program. We already know this program will pay us $1 for everyone that signs up for free, and that's a qualified member. So how do we get people there? Well, let's go back to our notes, and we're going to see we need to get our free Gmail address, and then we want to register with the following websites. Number one is Herculist.com. This will allow you to send to 1,000 random members every day that agree to get emails from other people. You can earn more credits to send more emails to people by clicking on other people's ads and viewing other people's ads. So you can reach 1,000 random members every day for free. What are you going to send them? The information that I showed you in the back office of EEC. If you're a member of a CPA network, they will provide you some marketing copy that you can use as well. The second website is listjoe.com. This will allow you to send 1,000 emails instantly to members, and then you'll be able to earn credits or buy credits if you want to send more. Finally, listbonus.com. You'll be able to send 1,500 emails for free. You can just use the solo ads that come from the back office of EEC or whatever offer you're promoting, and you can also earn additional credits or upgrade and send up to 11,000 emails every day. That's virtually it for those the first two things. The third thing that you can do is you can also use social media. For example, in Facebook. I don't recommend making a post on Facebook completely with your link because they're banning people, but you can make a post about your results. You could even mention my results or other people's results, and if anyone would like to know how to make up to $144 per day without selling anything to anyone, and with zero marketing budget, you can ask them to PM you. And once they PM you, then you can send them the link. Never post a direct link on Facebook. Another key is you want to add new friends daily and post daily. An hour or two per day can pay you easily $10 to $100 per day, again, with zero marketing budget. Folks, that's it. This is the entire strategy, and you can utilize this and make a good bit of money without spending a nickel on marketing. So folks, that's it. That's how you can make $144 daily with zero budget and without selling anything to anyone. If you want to learn how to market anything online and know that you'll make a profit, I invite you to visit www.learntomarketonline.com, where you can learn a lot more techniques and strategies to make significant money online and up to $1,000 paydays. Hope you got some value out of this video. Thanks for listening, and I hope you have a blessed day.